Hello everyone. Welcome to this special grammar lesson. Today we will fix some common English mistakes together. Many learners say things like, I am from Spain, I am live in Madrid, he no like coffee. These are very common errors, but they are easy to fix. We will make your English sound more natural and more correct. This lesson is designed to be simple and clear. We will focus on the most important points to help you improve quickly and to feel more confident when you speak. In our lesson today, we will look at 7 specific grammar points. These are areas where many English learners often have trouble. For each point, I will show one incorrect example and one correct example and then give you a short sentence to practice. So, let's get started with our first grammar point for clearer, more accurate English. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first tip is about a very important verb, the verb to be. This verb is special. We use it to talk about who someone is, what something is, and where something is. The forms of to be in the present tense are am, is, and are. Always use to be with a noun, an adjective, or a place. Do not use another main verb right after am, is, or are in a simple statement. This is a very common mistake, but once you see the pattern, it becomes easier to remember. A common mistake is, I am work in an office. This is incorrect because am and work are both verbs. You should use only one main verb. Correct. I work in an office. Or, if describing your job, I am a teacher. Review. I am work in an office. Wrong. I work in an office. Correct. The practice sentence is, Sheba likes a doctor. What word goes in the blank? The correct word is. Full sentence, she is a doctor. We use is with a noun. In speech, we often use contractions. I'm, he's, they're. Our second tip is about the simple present tense. We use it for habits, routines, and facts. The rule that often causes problems is for the third person singular, he, she, it. For he, she, and it, add s or es to the verb. For I, you, we, they, the verb does not change. A common mistake is, he like pizza. Correct. He likes pizza. The subject my brother is like he, so add s. My brother lives in London. Say it aloud. The ending can sound like is, z, or is. Do not worry. Just remember to add the sound. For he, she, and it, make sure there is an s sound at the end. Repeat. He works. She runs. It changes. This small detail makes your speaking and writing much more accurate. Summary. He, she, it, plus s, es. After auxiliaries like does, doesn't, use the base verb. Say it again. My brother lives in London. Great job. Our third tip is about making questions. We often use do, does, or did. Use do or does for simple present. Use did for simple past. Does with he, she, it. Do with I, you, we, they. After do, does, did, use the base form, no, es, or ed. Incorrect. Where she works? Correct. Where does she work? Add does for she. Main verb is work, not works. Make a question. Do you like tea? Say it aloud. Negatives. Don't, doesn't, didn't. After them, use base verb. Incorrect. He no likes coffee. Correct. He doesn't like coffee. Structure reminder. Helping verb plus subject plus base verb. Repeat. Do you play? Does she drive? Did they go? Helping verbs make grammar consistent and clear. Our fourth tip focuses on small but tricky words. The articles a, an, the. Use a, an for a general singular noun. Use the for something specific or already known. This is unclear. I saw a dog in the park. First mention, I saw a dog in the park. Then, the dog was playing with a ball. Use a before a consonant sound, and before a vowel sound. Answer, an. She is an excellent student. Say it aloud. Remember, it is the sound, not just the letter that matters. We also use the for unique things. The sun, the moon, the sky. In a room with one door, please close the door. Mastering a, an, and the takes time and listening, but this rule is the perfect start. Recap. A, an for general first mention, the for specific, known, or unique. Tip 5 is about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable, things you can count individually. Uncountable, substances, concepts, or liquids, not counted as separate units. Use many few with countable, much little with uncountable. Money is uncountable. Correct. I don't have much money. Chairs are countable. Water is uncountable. Cars are countable. So, there are too many cars on the road today. Say it aloud. When unsure, use a lot of or lots of with both types. I have a lot of friends. I need a lot of help. Both correct. Recap. Many with countable, much with uncountable, a lot of works with both. This helps you communicate clearly without worrying. Our sixth tip is about 3 common words: in, on, at. Think, in enclosed, on surface, at specific point. Use on for surfaces, the book is on the table. Live in a city, meet at the station. Pocket is enclosed, correct in. My keys are in my pocket, say it. We often use at for work or school. Use in to emphasize the enclosed space. Recap. In for enclosed spaces, on for surfaces, at for specific points. Repeat. In the room, on the wall, at the door. Say, I live in Paris. The keys are in my pocket. Meet me at the station. Focus on the basics, and you will choose more accurately. Our final tip deals with the difference between there is and it is. Use there is, there are to say something exists, especially first mention. Use it is to describe something already known, not standard to introduce. It is a cloud in the sky. Correct, there is a cloud in the sky. It is big and white. The building is already known, so it is very tall. Think there is answers. What is in that place? There is a book in my bag. Think it is answers. What is it like? It is very interesting. There's introduces. It is describes. Repeat. There is a problem. It is important. This distinction makes your English sound much more natural. We have reached the end of our 10-minute grammar crash course. You have done a fantastic job. We covered 7 common mistakes and how to fix them. Tip 1. Use to be with nouns and adjectives, not with another main verb. Tip 2. Add s for he, she, it. Tip 3. Use do, does, did to ask questions with the base verb. Tip 4. And for general, the for specific. Tip 5. Much for uncountable, many for countable, a lot of for both. Tip 6. In enclosed, on surface, at point. Tip 7. There is to introduce. It is to describe. Keep these tips handy and notice them when you listen to English. The most important thing now is practice. Use these rules in speaking today and write your own sentences. The more you use them, the more natural they become. Mistakes are learning opportunities. Thank you for joining me today. Keep practicing. You are on the right path. Keep up the great work.